we are going to design Moore and Millie machine to check whether the given unary number is divisible by 2. So in the question we have to find out what is sigma, because for Moore and Millie machine we have to find the tuples in which we are having states and sigma are the basic necessary thing. So sigma is unary number, that is 1. The sigma closure will be epsilon 1, double 1, triple 1, 4 1 and so on. So for finding the number divisible by 2, first of all we are going to solve manually. So here the conversion from unary number to decimal number, and then we are going to check whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So if the unary number is 1, then the decimal number will be 1. So 1 divided by 2, output, that is the remainder, is 1. So whether the number is divisible, no. So for no, we are giving the number, the state name as q1, and the remainder is 1. So q1 is the state which takes input as 1 and produces output as 1, which is the remainder 1, plus it is not divisible by 2. The next number is 1 1, which is double occurrence of 1 is decimal number 2. Number 2 divided by 2, yes, remainder is 0, output is 0. So for that we are giving the state name as q0. So q0 is the number which takes the input as 1, produces output 0, which is the remainder 0. The next number is 3. Triple occurrence of 1 is decimal number 3. Number 3 divisible by 2 is not divisible by 2 with the remainder 1. So that condition we had already discussed, which is represented by the state q1. So it will go to state q1. Similarly for 4 occurrence of 1 is decimal number 4. Decimal number 4 is divisible by 2 with the remainder as 0, with the output as 0, you can see. So this condition also we have discussed as q0. So this will go to q0 state. So we have two state, q0 and q1. One more thing, whenever we are having the divisibility question, always we are going to consider q0 as the initial state. For rest of the question we have to consider qs as the initial state with no input and no output. Now we got the state. Now we'll start the Millie machine and a Moore machine. So what is Millie machine? Millie machine is nothing but we are going to design FSM. Now from Millie machine only we are going to design the Moore machine. So what is there in Millie machine? In Millie machine we have to design the machine function and the state function. So what is the machine function? Here the machine function is with the input with the current state, it will produce the output symbol. Whereas the state function is input with the current state, go to the next state. So what we are going to draw here? We are going to find out the state and the next state. So what is the initial state? So always the remainder, the divisibility question we have to start with the initial state is q0, because we are considering no number. No number is nothing is divisible by, we can consider nothing as 0. So 0 is always divisible by, or we can consider as a remainder 0. So remainder 0 in our question is represented by q0. That's why q0 will be the initial state. Like q0 with the input symbol 1, where it is going? q0 with the input 1. So q0 means previous remainder 1 with the next bit as 1 will make the number as 1. So whether number 1 is divisible by 2? No. So what is that state? So with the remainder as 1, the state is q1. So q0 with 1 goes to q1 state. Now similarly we can fill the machine state function. So q0 with input 1 is going to q1, and what is the output associated with the q1? Output is 1. So that we have to write here. Okay. Now next reachable state is q1. q1 means the previous remainder is 1 with the next bit as 1 will make double occurrence of 1, which will be 2. Whether 2 is divisible by 2? Yes. For the remainder 0, the state is q0. Similarly here in your machine table, what is the output associated with q0? Output associated with q0 is 0. So that's why we have to write 0 here. Okay. Now same concept we are going to use for finding the Moore machine. So in Moore machine, what we have to find? We have to find the state function, which is similar to the Mealy machine, and the output function. This is from the state we have to find the output symbol. So here what we have to draw first of all we have to draw this table, which is the state table of the Mealy machine. So state table of the Mealy machine is same thing. So Q0 and 1. So Q0 and 1. So what we have to add here is extra string is output symbol. So before writing the table, first of all we have to determine the output associated with this state. What is the output of this state? The output generated by Q0 is 0. So we have to write here. Again I am repeating, before copying the table of Mealy machine as a table of the Moore machine, what we have to write? First of all we have to determine which state we are writing. This state Q0 we are writing. So what is the output of Q0? Output of Q0 is 0. So here in the column of output symbol we have to write that output. Now here we have to copy Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. So same state function we have to copy Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. The reachable state is Q1, so we have to write here. Now before copying again the state table of the Mealy machine as the state table of a Moore machine, what is the output associated with Q1? So output of Q1 is generating output as 1. So here we have to write 1. Now we can copy Q1 on 1 goes to Q0, Q1 on 1 goes to Q0. The next step we have to draw the state diagram. So state diagram we know, which is similar to FSM with the initial state. Initial state is Q0 and the next state is Q1. Okay, so Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. So Q0 on 1 goes to Q1 from the machine table. What we have to find the output. So Q0 on 1 is producing the output as 1. On 1 is producing the output as 1. Now Q1 on 1 goes to Q0. Q1 on 1 goes to Q0. So on 1 goes to Q0. What is the output? Q1 on 1 produces the output as 0. So this is where completed the Mealy machine state transition diagram, which is similar to your FSM. Now we have to jump to the state transition diagram Moore machine. Before writing anything, what we have to do? We have to find out the states. So we are having state Q0. Before writing anything, Q0 and the output. So output is written here /output 0. And next state is Q1. Q1 with the output. Where is the output? Output is here. So /1. Now Q0 we have to mark, which is the initial state. So Q0 on 1 goes to Q1. On 1 goes to Q1. Q1 on 1 goes to Q0. So this is how we have find out the Moore and Mealy machine for the unary number divisible by 2.